My favourite treatment has been the most recent treatment I've had, which has been EXOMIND. It has blown my mind, quite frankly. This is something incredibly special. So I've seen both physical and mental changes. Physical, just my skin is brighter, I feel lighter, and I feel better in a way that is really quite difficult to describe. The treatment itself is completely painless. It is vibrating and it is pleasant, it's lovely. What EXOMIND then did was let my brain breathe. It doesn't change what you've got to do, but what it does change is change your ability to deal with those things. Even immediately after the EXOMIND treatment, I was like, oh, okay, yep, good, time to go. That was really great as well because it added to my energy straight from the treatment. The result was instant. The whole experience was amazing. Anyone who has got any sort of, oh, I'm just feeling overwhelmed, I'm feeling tired, I'm feeling like I've got a lot to juggle, it will be absolutely incredible, and I can't recommend it highly enough. If I could, I would take that machine home with me and put it on my head every single night.